Yeah, guys, I just also want to record this. That this morning I really didn't feel well. I had to, after training, go back to sleep because I was really feeling bad. Yesterday I had some sort of pass out. I don't know if it's a heart problem or it was just a heat wave, because I did run in the morning and I went in the afternoon into the beach and just do some biking and I just passed out. That was the first blackout of my life and it was really dangerous. It's scary to me. So I went to the hospital and then doctors did some tests and maybe there's something wrong with the blood pressure and heart. But anyways, I survived. But Vancouver is seeing a really unbelievable heat wave these days. So it's just unbelievable that how this city has become hot. It's like 110 degree, 105 degree, never been that. Most of the places in Vancouver don't even have AC. It's just unbelievable that, it's just unbelievable. Anyways, so I'll just post a recap here. Again, I appreciate guys subscribe or like or comment in our channel. If you have any question about trading or anything, just feel free to post it, and looking forward to see you in the chat room. Plus we have the New York birthday meetup on July 3rd. So looking forward to see you all, guys. Cheers. Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick recap. It's late in the afternoon, but I just wanted to show you what we did today. Sorry, I couldn't do the recap this morning after our trades. For me, it was at the 1 minute opening range breakup. As you know, it's my signature trade. We just did it right at the open. ALF was really active in the market. I mean, the LAF has been active, stock in play for a couple of weeks now, starting from mid-June. As you know, it's just started that, and it's just stayed in play. Especially, I had a really nice day on Friday. And today I was watching it. It was really nice. This was just a perfect, stock that was strong gap up. Really had a really nice gap up on the daily chart. It just came. It was above the VWAP, and I was expecting it for the breakout of these two levels that we have. Sold off a little bit, but quickly bought back up, and I just jumped in early because I was just really confident on that. I was waiting for a really 1 minute opening range breakup, and I did have the 1 minute opening range breakup. So what happened too was exactly just did the 1 minute opening range breakup on that. So as soon as it came back up, I just jumped in there at 2020, popped up 21, sold some. This would have been a really nice entry for ad, excellent entry, but I wasn't really feeling well, and I was just really happy with that. Popped up and all the way up to 22.40 sold up. So it was a really nice solid move, and that was the only day trade that I had. After that, I really didn't do anything. So I have some TNA, TQQ, and for this one was 4,400. That was a really decent trade. The other trade that we did, AMC was the one that I called, but I didn't take it myself because I was just not, I was done with my day, handcuffs on, so I didn't trade it. As soon as I saw that it just really popping up, the volume picked up. Look at this volume at 945. I really called it for a long here, and a lot of people in the chat room took it and went up all the way up to 58. What during the day? What did it do during the day? I didn't check it. It went up all the way up to 59 and above. So it was really strong, and I just loved it. Really nice. I think AMC is gonna be even in play tomorrow. I think there's really good chance that AMC is gonna be in play. In terms of webinars and presentation, what do we have this week? Ayman is going to learning from the best and worst trades, and he's going to talk about all of these trades that he's done in the last couple of months and the best worst trades that he has. And then we have the Thor's webinar on July 13. It was really good. Psychology, we have the module 5, mental resilience for trading, tomorrow by Mike. Mentorship session. We're going to have the mentorship session by me in the morning Thursday, and we thought in the afternoon. And then we have this cryptocurrency with Jared. So we're going to look into see how's the crypto market doing in terms of trading and of course investment, because crypto is an asset and also a currency, so you can actually invest in it as well. So Jared is taking the lead on that. Well, thank you so much. Don't forget to like or subscribe, because I personally really appreciate the support. We want to grow the channel. The more engagement, more comment, more like, more discussion, YouTube likes it, and our channel will grow. So I really appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, comment, and I'll answer that to you. Thank you so much. Sorry for the late recap, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the chat. Mwah.